Okay, water. It's got H2O. Two H's, one O. Two hydrogens, one oxygen. Here's our two hydrogens. Here's our oxygen. So we know that hydrogen's only got one electron. But what about oxygen? Let's check it out. We look on the periodic table. We see its atomic number's 8. That means it's got 8 protons and 8 electrons. So let's put our 8 protons in the middle, in the nucleus, and around that we're going to put a couple of energy levels, and now we'll fill in our electrons. So 2 go in the first energy level, and then it's full. So the rest have to go in the next. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many electrons are there on the outside, on the valence shell of oxygen? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put 6 crosses in oxygen. Now, of course, 6 isn't enough. It wants to have 8. And we know that hydrogen's very able to share an electron. And if we draw our little box now, we can see that the oxygen now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons in its energy level. So it's good. But the hydrogen needs 1 too, so it shares this one. So now the oxygen's got 8, and the hydrogens each have 2. So all is good. These two we're going to stick out here. We're going to keep them together because electrons like to be in pairs. And I'm going to tell you about these being called lone pairs. They're lone pairs because they're alone. They're not part of a bond. They are still important, and you're going to learn more about them when we come to look at water in solutions, and when you learn about the shapes of molecules later in the course.